Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate tie-dye theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. You need to click on that and you need to update your Messenger application first by clicking on this update. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Messenger application, and then you simply need to select any conversation. From here you need to click on this icon on the top right, click on theme, scroll down and you need to find tie-dye theme. So let me find, so here it is. You simply need to select it, click on select again. So now you can see that tie-dye theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.